Where's our makeup art? Makeup?
Makeup.
We don't have makeup.
Well, I don't.
You know what we do have? Breakfast.
Breakfast.
With 2 F's.
Breakfast.
Breakfast. And my neighbor's mowing his lawn.
Yes, he is.
Doesn't matter.
Nope.
Because we got breakfast, biscuit, bombs.
Bomb. Can't say bomb in plane.
Bombardier.
No, I said I didn't have a bomb. You said bomb.
I've said this before, I'm not a huge breakfast guy, but occasionally I kind of get in the mood, and this morning I woke up and I said, man, sausage, egg, and cheese.
That's where it's gonna be.
Sounds delish.
Yep.
So today I want to show you a fun little twist on how you can take a traditional bacon sausage breakfast bomb, or breakfast, are we saying breakfast?
Breakfast. No, we're
Get
not.
rid of
That's
breakfast,
like Sammy.
breakfast.
No.
I like it, we're keeping it.
All right.
Today we're featuring the all-new Blackstone 28-inch air fryer. This thing is awesome, wonderful, and it's going to give us the most beautiful little bacon sausage breakfast biscuit bombs. Breakfast, I did it. Let's
Just, oh, jeez.
just make it.
Come on, just go for it, guys. Nice cup.
Thank you. The first thing we want to do is get our griddle set to like medium-low heat. I want to take my bacon. I'm using Wright's thick cut bacon because CJ,
That's the best bacon there is.
whatever
buddy.
bacon is there?
What, Ben, you're struggling today.
It's the bacon. I'm gonna cook that nice and crispy. I'm also gonna do a little bit of breakfast sausage, something I like to do so it's not quite a thick piece because I'm gonna break it up later. Give it a little smash. It just gets a little bit more of that Maillard reaction. CJ's favorite.
I love it.
The Maillard reaction. So I'm gonna cook my bacon and my sausage until they're both fairly well done. I'm gonna add a little bit of paper towel to my small little cutting board and let the excess fat drain off just a bit. Now let's talk about biscuits. You know why they call it a rubber biscuit? If it don't bounce back, you go hungry.
Yeah.
Rubber biscuit.
Today I'm using Pillsbury Grand's home style, and I'm gonna add just a bit of flour, all-purpose flour to my cutting board, and I didn't have a rolling pin. I probably do, I just don't know where it is. So I just went ahead and grabbed an extra biscuit. I'm gonna roll that out. You can add a little flour to the top as well. Roll them out. They don't have to be crazy thin, but we just want a little bit more surface area because we're gonna wrap these up as a bomb layer. Later. I'm hungry, it's early.
Yeah. Whew. Wow. We're just like
What are you drinking?
water.
Man, gotta do something to keep warm. Mine was a Christmas movie quote.
Well, I'm sorry to disagree with you, Mrs. Walker, but not only is there such a person, but here I am to prove it.
Now to our rolled out biscuit, I'm gonna add just a bit of spicy brown mustard to the bottom. CJ, I feel like spicy brown mustard and sausage go really, really well together.
I didn't used to think so.
Breakfast sauce, it's great.
So good.
So good. I'm gonna add a bit of spicy brown mustard, then I'm gonna break up my sausage and my bacon to keep it a nice, tight little bundle. We're gonna cook our eggs. You could do these over easy if you wanted to, but we really don't want that sexy, yolky egg. So I'm gonna chop it up just a little bit. I'm gonna add some of that Blackstone breakfast seasoning too. It's so, if you don't have it, you can find it at Walmart. Give that a quick little chop and then add that over the top as well. Now there's a fun little trick. You can grab both sides, give it a stretch, pull it to the middle and give it kind of a roll and crimp. Do that again so you're northeast, southwest, and then crimp the remaining edges. Now we have a gorgeous, beautiful little bomb.
What if you have a northeast and a southwest?
Is that a joke?
It wasn't very funny.
Forget it. It's a joke.
Let's do that one more time. So I'm gonna lay down my beautiful little biscuit, roll that out, add a bit of flour so it doesn't stick, roll it out nice and flat. Then we're gonna add some cheese, then our sausage and our bacon.
You forgot.
I forgot chives. Chives, the biggest difference between chives and green onions, chives has a bit more of that oniony garlic flavor, which I like. It's a bit more delicate as well. Super, super good. So add our eggs over the top and some of those beautiful little chives, a bit more cheese if you would like. Now we're gonna stretch those sides out, bring them to the middle, give it the roll and pinch, the old roll and pinch,
The old
CJ.
roll and pinch.
The old roll and pinch. And we're gonna pull it the other sides as well and kind of crimp all of those edges and flip them over so they're seam side down. Now let's pull out our air fryer basket and pop those little beauties in. I'm gonna keep this at low, medium, low heat or so for about 7 to 10 minutes. You can go a little longer if you like it crispier. Don't go any less though.
No.
Like 8 minutes minimum. we'll say 8 to 10 minutes or so.
You don't want a soggy bomb.
Soggy bottom, boys?
No.
When they're all finished, they will look just like this crispy, beautiful little breakfast bombs. I thought it's breakfast.
It's a
Breakfast bombs. We can cut those in half and you can see all those delicious goodies on the inside. This one is really, really fun. CJ, if you have a bunch of people over, if you're cooking just for yourself, these little nugs, little beautiful little nugs.
little nug.
It's basically a delicious breakfast all rolled up in a little bundle, a little package.
Little bomb.
It's like everything at Taco Bell. Exact
All
same
the
thing.
same thing.
Packaged differently.
What, are you kidding me?
You're kidding me.
You gotta be kidding me.
You gotta be kidding me. What? You gotta be kidding me!
This is a really, really fun one. Be sure to check out Teespring, find all of our fun t-shirts. Check out CJ's First Cooking Show. It is a ton of fun. Blackstone Betty's show, Todd Toven's show, but this is Cook, Eat, Repeat, where we help you become a better cook, one recipe at a time.
Just one at a time.
Go to blackstoneproducts.com. I'm your host, Chef Nathan Lippy. See you in the next video.